Sunday the 28th of July, 2024. I'm at Cortland and Damen, working on an AC. The blower motor is a Downflow Train blower motor. Anybody that knows about Downflow Train American Standard blower motors know that they're a pain in the woo-woo to do. I've been here about 3 hours. Of course, it's 6 flights of stairs, no elevator, and then another 2 flights to the roof. And then I had to set a ladder up to get up on the roof. And they got all these air conditioners on top of this little doghouse that comes up the stairwell. Anybody who lives in Chicago on the top floor knows what I'm talking about. Pretty nice day. It's a little warm in where the furnace is at. It's right below this doghouse I'm standing on. Head out.